If you're serious about trading and want to test your skills, the Million Dollar Trader Challenge might just be the opportunity you have been waiting for. It's a unique program designed to push traders to the next level by offering real funding and a chance to manage a $1 million account. But does it live up to the hype? Today I am giving you full review of the Million Dollar Trade Challenge, what it is, how it works, and whether it's worth your time and effort. The Million Dollar Trade Challenge is funded trading program that allows you to prove your trading ability on a real, sizable account. Instead of risking your own money, you trade with the firm's capital. Once you pass the evaluation, this removes the biggest barrier for money trader funding. It's an exciting concept because it offers a real path to trading professionally without needing hundreds of thousands or dollars upfront. Here's how it works. You start by registering and paying evaluation fee, which is significantly lower than the amount you will eventually trade. The challenge tests your consistency, risk management, and ability to hit profit targets and within a set time frame. Unlike some programs, the $1 million trade challenge emphasizes steady gains over reckless risk taking, which is crucial in real trading environment. The evaluation has clear rules and targets. You need to achieve a profit target, usually around 8 to 10% without breaching daily loss limits or maximum drawdowns. This means you must trade carefully, managing risk and sticking to your plan. The change is not about hitting a home run quickly, but proving you can generate consistent profits while protecting capital. Once you successfully pass, you get funded with a real trading account, sometimes starting at $25,000 or more, with the potential to scale up to managing a $1 million portfolio. The firm takes a share of your profit, but you get to keep the majority, creating a win-to-win situation. This opportunity allows skilled traders to assess capital and trade at a professional level without risking personal savings. But it's not all easy. The $1 million trader challenge demands discipline, patience, and a solid strategy. Many traders struggle to balance aggressive and profit goals with risk limits. It's a real test of trading psychology and skill. If you rush or deviate from your plan, you risk failing the evolution and losing your fee. However, if you treat it like a professional environment and follow sound trading principles, it can be a game changer. This challenge also offers educational resources and support, helping traders refine their strategy and improve their performance. The community around it provides valuable insight, tips, and motivation, which can be essential when navigating the ups and downs of trading. In summary, the $1 million Trader Challenge is a legitimate, exciting, and opportunity for traders who want to scale up and trade professionally. It's not get rich quick scheme, but a rigorous test of skill, discipline, and consistency. If you're willing to put in the work and trade smart, it could be the stepping stone to a profitable trading career.